Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Back up your phone and current fonts so you can restore if needed. Next, allow installs from unknown sources in settings because you will install a third-party font or APK. Then download a reputable iOS emoji font package and the Z font or emoji switcher app. Once downloaded, open the switcher. Make sure the app has storage permission and load the iOS emoji file into the app so it's ready for installation. Now apply the iOS emoji set through the font switcher. You choose the iOS package and pick the app's recommended apply method. Many apps offer a non-root process that temporarily replaces your font. If your phone requests a system font change, accept it. Otherwise, follow the app steps, which may install a helper APK. Once applied, reboot the phone or force stop and restart the launcher so apps reload fonts. This is how the new glyphs become visible system-wide. Finish by testing emojis across messaging apps and your keyboard to confirm the iOS style appears. If some apps still show boxes or old glyphs, clear the app cache, restart the app, and reapply the font. Sometimes a second reboot is needed. Make sure your keyboard uses the system font rather than its own emoji pack. If colors look wrong or stability problems appear, uninstall the font and restore your backup. Then try an alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.